Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to install CarStream on Android Auto so you can watch YouTube directly on your car screen. First, on your Android phone, open your browser and download the latest version of CarStream APK from a trusted source. Before installing it, go to your phone settings, open Security or Privacy, and enable the option that allows installing apps from unknown sources. This is required because CarStream is not available in the Play Store. Next, install the CarStream APK on your phone, but do not open it yet. After that, you need to install an app called Android Auto Apps Downloader, often known as AAAD. Open that app and allow the required permissions. Inside AAAD, you will see a list of compatible apps, including CarStream. Select CarStream and let the app complete the installation and integration process. Once the installation finishes, connect your phone to your car using Android Auto. Open the Android Auto app launcher on your car screen and look for the CarStream icon. Tap it, and you will be able to browse and watch YouTube videos directly through the interface. Just remember to use this feature responsibly and avoid watching videos while driving to stay safe on the road. Subscribe the channel for more videos.